Hi, my name is Tori Hawes, and today I'm going to be making matzah meal latkes that are kosher for Passover. So the difference between kosher for Passover and non-kosher for Passover is I'm going to be using kosher for Passover matzah meal, which has Passover matzah, which is wheat flour and water as the only ingredients, versus non-kosher for Passover. The ingredients are flour and water, so the flour is not wheat flour, and thus it's made differently for that. So the two different matzah meals have different textures. The kosher for Passover one is a lot more grainy versus the non-kosher for Passover is a lot smoother because of the different types of flour used. So to make this, first I need a half a cup of matzah meal from the non-kosher for Passover and a teaspoon of salt mixed together first. So for this, I'm going to be making two different batches of matzah meal. The first one is not going to have any sugar, which is an optional addition. Usually you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And the other thing I'm going to be testing with the two different batches is the Maillard principle, which says the sugar, when mixed with amino acids, causes more browning to happen. So first the sugar, and then the amino acids I'm using are eggs. There's 3 eggs added to this mixture. And when I have the sugar added, the eggs will help to cause that to occur. These are all fried in oil when they're made. And along with adding the eggs, I add 3/4 of a cup of cold water, which is right there. After I mix this, I need to leave it to stand for 5 minutes. The longer you let it stand, the fluffier the pancakes are. And I'll be back and show you the results afterwards. So I just finished frying the latkes. As you can see, the latkes on the left are lighter in color than the latkes on the right. The ones on the right had sugar added to them in total by 2 tablespoons, which caused them to turn darker, and the browning effect of the Maillard principle. The ones on the right, or the left, still have some darkness to them because they do have starch in them, which is a form of sugar. But the ones on the right, due to the additional sugar, darken more. The starches in this also give the latkes kind of a gummy quality, where they kind of poke back up when you poke at them, and they're really stretchy, which is the gluten from the flour. And yeah, that's about it.